morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, March 27th. The euro declined 0.77% against the US dollar and closed at 1.0882 after strong US economic data. In the US, a number of people claiming unemployment benefits for the first time dropped to 282.0k in the week ended 21st of March, while markets were expecting it to ease to a level of 290.0k. Additionally, the nation's market preliminary services PMI surged to a 6-month high of 58.6 in March. Elsewhere, in Germany, the GfK consumer confidence data advanced to a level of 10.0, posting its highest level since October 2001 for the month of April, higher than market expectations, for a rise to a reading of 9.8. Yesterday, the ECB Chief Draghi stated that the recently launched QE program was having desired effects on the Eurozone's economic growth, but insisted that recovery in the region was cyclical and that single currency bloc would be still required, structural reforms to address its long-term problems. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0806, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0733. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1002, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1126. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the US fourth quarter annualized GDP data scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.21% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4852 as mounting geopolitical fears in the Middle East overshadowed positive UK retail sales. In economic news, retail sales in the UK rose 0.7% on a monthly basis, marking its fastest pace of growth in 3 months in February and beating market expectations for an advance of 0.4%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.47721, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4694. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4961, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5074. Going forward, investors would closely monitor various speeches from the Bank of England officials scheduled in a few hours to get further cues. The US dollar weakened 0.24% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.20 as safe haven buying benefited the Japanese yen. Earlier today, the National Consumer Price Index in Japan rose 2.2% YoY in February, lower than market expectations for an increase of 2.3%. The pair is expected to find support at 118.61, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 117.91. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.74, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.16. The Australian dollar weakened 0.08% against the US dollar to close at 0.7830. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7766, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7732. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7861, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7921. Gold prices traded higher by 0.77% against the US dollar at 1205.00 per ounce, as a decline in the global equity markets due to increased tension in the Middle East spurred investors to switch their preference to safe haven yellow metal. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust narrowed to 743.21 tons, from its previous level of 744.40 tons. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.